Okay, we'll start. Good morning, everyone here in attendance, and good morning also to our live viewers in this YouTube channel. You are in DPWH Sultan Kudarat First District Engineering Office in Isulan, Sultan Kudarat. And this morning, we'll be having 3 activities. First, we have the private conference for one civil work project, which will be named later on by the head back secretariat. Then we will have the opening of the bids for 2 civil works, which will also be demoed by Madam Potri later on. And then we have the opening of goods and also the opening of the RFQ. And to start with, call on Ms. Joy, she's a prioridad for the invocation to be followed by the roll of OIC Head Back Secretariat, Engineer Putin R.M. Palaguna.
Almighty and ever-loving God, we thank you for this wonderful day that you have given us. We ask for your presence, Lord, that you will this confidence and make us good public servant with integrity, providing quality service to the people. In Jesus' name we pray. Amen. Father, the Son, and the Holy Spirit.
Thank you. Hello. Thank you, Ms. Joy. So again, good morning to each and everyone here at the conference room. So today, July 17, 2024, here at Procurement Unit Conference Room, DPWH Compound, Isulan, Sultan Kudarat, we have 3 activities for today. One civil works, pre-bid of one civil works, which is the 24mm0068, the construction of multi-purpose building, new building of Provincial Hospital, Barangay Sampao, Isulan, Sultan Kudarat. And we have also an opening of 2 civil works, 24mm0006 and 24mm0067. We have also opening of goods, 24GMF12, 24GMF13, 24GMF14, and 24GMF15, and 3 RFQ, 24-07-0029, 2024-07-0030, 2024-07-0031. So before we start our activities, I would like to inform you, Mr. Chairman, that we have 5 prospective bidder who dropped their proposal for our goods sa ating RFQ at sa ating yung public bidding natin ng goods. We have also 3 prospective bidder who dropped their proposal for our 2 civil works na i-open today. So start po ako dun sa civil works. We have VYS Construction represented by Patrice Herrera and Catherine Maternal, who dropped their proposal at 9:20 a.m. this morning. We have also Jargon Construction and Supply, represented by Ruby Ihasro, who dropped their proposal at 9:26 this morning. And we have also CEK Construction and Water Supply, who dropped their proposal, represented by Kyle Gasser, who dropped their proposal today at 9:30 this morning. Sa ating goods naman, sabay na dito yung sa public bidding at saka sa RFQ. We have Colors Paint Center represented by Hazel Caspilan, who dropped their proposal 3 envelope at 9:32 this morning. We have also CAB Talak, represented by Ramil Ukay, who dropped 1 envelope this morning at 9:34. And we have also Savi Marketing, represented by Maria Karin. Nag-drop po siya ng 2 envelope at 9:34 this morning. We have also Advanced Gas Trading Corporation, represented by Nova Patches. Nag-drop po siya ng 1 envelope this morning at 9:35 a.m. And we have also MP General Merchandise, represented by Darin Paladin, who dropped their proposal at 9:40. 2 envelope po yung hinulog nila. And Mr. Chairman, I would like to inform you that today, 10 o'clock, our bid box is formally closed and sealed. So, before po tayo mag-start, mag-roll call muna po ako. Please acknowledge when your name is called. Okay. Engineer Raul Intravella, our back chairman, Chief of Maintenance Section. Mr. Ansari Embosran, our regular member, Chief of Administrative Section. Engineer Hazel O. Socias, our provisional member, Chief of Planning and Design Section. We have also Engineer Elmer Basco, our Head of TWG. Ms. Ligaya B. Valdez, TWG member. Ms. Analisa B. Inaguas, TWG member. Engineer Rolando Eldurias Jr., TWG member. Engineer Zeltwezen de Vera, our end user from Maintenance Section. Engineer Valentin Kisumayo, our end user also from Planning and Design Section. And we have also Farisa Tulusan, technical staff from Planning and Design Section. And yours truly, Engineer Potrina Harba Laguna, your OIC Procurement Head and Back Secretariat. Mr. Chair, I would like to inform you that the Back and Awards Committee is now in quorum. Thank you.
Good morning once again. Thank you very much, Ms. Joy, for that invocation, and thank you, Ms. Potre, for the opening remarks. And since we are in quorum, as declared by the Back Secretariat, Head Back Secretariat, we will now proceed with our meeting proper. And for the brief presentation, explanation by the Back of the following basic contract data, including contract description, ATC and duration, requirement of bidding documents, including instructions to bidders, general conditions of the contract, special conditions of the contract, specifications, drawings, bill of quantities and form, and documents to be submitted by the bidders is to be done by Engineer Potrina Baraguna in PAD Head Back Secretariat.
Thank you, Mr. Chair. So, ang first activity natin today is for the pre-bid of one civil work, which is the 24MF0068. Contract name is Construction of Multi-Purpose Building, New Building for Provincial Hospital, Barangay Sampao, Isulan, Sultan Kudarat. Contract location is in Isulan, Sultan Kudarat with an approved budget for the contract of 29,699,814 pesos and 17 centavos with a duration of 300 calendar days. Ang major category of work of the contract to be procured is building, construction without piles, low-rise, concrete frame 1 to 5 story. Ang size range required for our prospective contractor, bidder is small b. License category required is C and D. Allowable range of contract cost o yung RCC required is up to 30 million. Ang bid document amount po nito is 25,000 pesos only. Ang opening po ng ating bid nitong project is on July 29, 2024, 10 o'clock again here at Procurement Conference Room. So, magbibigay lang po ako ng checklist for our technical and financial document to our prospective bidder. So, we have a technical component envelope, and financial component envelope. So under technical component envelope, we have the Class A documents, which nakalaki po dyan yung legal documents natin. It should have valid PhilJet registration, certificate, platinum membership all pages, or registration certificate from Security and Exchange Commission, Department of Trade and Industry for sole proprietorship, or Cooperative Development Authority for cooperative or its equivalent document. And NIRS or business permit issued by the city or municipality where the principal place of business of the prospective bidder is located, or the equivalent document for exclusive economic zone or areas. And tax clearance per EO number 398/2005 as finally reviewed and approved by the Bureau of Internal Revenue. So again, reminder lang po sa ating mga prospective bidder na yung lahat ng dina-download ninyo sa PhilJet, like yung MERS permit ninyo, yung tax clearance ninyo, is valid po siya, hindi siya expired, or kung malapit na siya, ma-expired, i-reviewed na siya. Kasi isa lang po doon, yung attachment ninyo na hindi siya valid or expired siya, the whole validity of your PhilJets will be invalid kahit na hindi pa expired yung PhilJets ninyo. So next one is for the technical document, it should have statement of the prospective bidder of all its ongoing government and private contracts, including contract awarded but not yet started, if any, whether similar or not similar in nature and complexity to the contract to be bid, and statement of the bidder's single largest completed contract o yung SLCC, similar to the contract to be bid except under condition provided under the rules and Philippine Contractors Accreditation Board PCAB license or special PCAB license in case of joint venture and registration of for the type and cost of contract to be bid, and original copy of bid security if in the form of surety bond. Submit also a certification issued by the Insurance Commission, or original copy of notarized bid securing declaration. And also, meron tayong project requirements dyan which shall include the following: the organizational chart for the contract to be bid, list of contractors, key personnel, example in project manager, project engineers, material engineers, and foreman to be assigned to the contract to be bid with their complete qualification and experience data. A list of contractors' major equipment units which are owned, leased, and or under purchase agreement supported by proof of ownership or certification of validity of equipment from the equipment lessor or vendor for the duration of the project as the case may be. And original duly signed omnibus sworn statement, which is notarized po yan. And if applicable, original notarized secretary certificate in case of a corporation, partnership, or cooperative, or original special power of attorney of all members of the joint venture giving full power and authority to its officer to sign the OSS and do act to represent the bidder. Next one is the financial document. It should have prospective bidders audited financial statement showing, among others, the prospective bidders' total and current asset and liabilities, stamp received by the BIR or its duly accredited and authorized institution for the preceding calendar year, which should not be earlier than 2 years from the date of bid submission, and the prospective bidders' computation of net financial contracting capacity or yung ating NFCC. And for the next envelope is yung financial component envelope. Mayroon po dyan dapat original of duly signed and accomplished financial bid form and other documentary requirements under RA 9184, yung original of duly signed bid prices in the bill of quantities and duly accomplished detailed estimate form, including a summary sheet indicating the unit prices of construction materials, labor rates, and equipment rental used in coming up with the bid. And last one is yung cash flow by the quarter. So yan lang po, Mr. Chairman. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you, Ms. Potre, for that brief presentation and explanation of the projects to be bid. Next will be the criteria and procedure for eligibility check, preliminary examination of bids, detailed evaluation of bids, post-qualification and award will be discussed to us by Engineer Rolando L. Torres Jr., a DPWH member.
For bid evaluation, number 1, preliminary examination of bids. BAC will examine first the technical components of the bids using the pass-fail criteria. Number 2, ceiling for the bid prices. The ABC shall be the upper limit or ceiling for the bid prices. There shall be no lower limit to the amount of the award. Number 3, bid for the procurement of infrastructure project. The BAC shall evaluate the financial component of the bid. The bid with the lowest calculated price shall be referred to as the lowest calculated bid. For post-qualification, number 1, objective and process of post-qualification. Post-qualification is the stage where the bidder with the lowest calculated bid, LCB, undergoes verification and validation whether he has passed all the requirements and conditions specified in the bidding documents. If the bidder with the LCB passes all the criteria for post-qualification, his bid shall be considered the lowest calculated responsive bid or LCRB. In all cases, the contract shall be awarded only to the bidder with the LCRB. Number 2, failure of bidding. There shall be failure of bidding if no bids are received, no bid qualifies as LCRB, or whenever the bidder with the LCRB refuses without justifiable cause to accept the award of the contract as the case may be. Number 3, single calculated responsive bid. Submission. If advertisement, only one prospective bidder submits or applies for eligibility check and meets the eligibility requirements or criteria, after which it submits a bid which is found to be responsive to the bidding requirements. If after the advertisement, more than one prospective bidder applies for eligibility check, but only one bidder meets the eligibility requirement or criteria, after which it submits a bid which is found to be responsive to the bidding requirements, or if after the eligibility check, more than one bidder meets the eligibility requirement, but only one bidder submits a bid and its bid is found to be responsive to the bidding requirements. Award. Notice and execution of award. Within a period not exceeding 15 calendar days from the determination and declaration by the BAC of the LCRB and the recommendation of the award, the hope or his duly authorized representative shall approve or disapprove the said recommendation. In case of approval, the hope or his duly authorized representative shall immediately issue the notice of award to the bidder with the lowest calculated responsive bid. Within 10 calendar days from the receipt of NOAA, the winning bidder shall formally enter into contract with the procuring entity. When further approval of higher authority is required, the approving authority for the contract shall be given a maximum of 20 calendar days to approve or disapprove it. The procuring entity shall issue the notice to proceed or MPP to the winning bidder not later than 7 calendar days from the date of approval of the contract by the appropriate authority. All notices called by the terms of the contract shall be effective only at the time of receipt thereof by the contractor. Points to remember: submit bid on or before the date and time specified in the invitation to bid. Counter-check your documents as to the correctness and completeness before submission. ABC should be the ceiling for the contract cost. Envelopes A and B should be properly separated. Thank you.
Thank you very much, Engineer Torres. And it's time for the qualification, explanation of the scope, specification of the project. It will be presented to us by Engineer Faresa Yutalusa, technical staff from Planning and Design section.
Morning, everyone. I'm here to present the construction of multi-purpose building, new building for Provincial Hospital, located at Barangay Sampao, Isulan, Sultan Kudarat. For the vicinity map and site development plan, the structure will be beside doctor's quarter at saka sa may library na under construction sa may Barangay Sampao. Perspective of the project. For the floor plan, each floor has a dimension of 34.2 meter by 12.7 meter. Each floor has 6 quarters and 1 common CR. Sa ground floor, meron din pong storage area. Roof deck plan, open space, may parapet na 1.3 meters in height, and the roof plan, purlins lang po yung ginamit, and rafter. For the elevation, front elevation, the right side elevation, left side elevation, and the rear side elevation. Each window, meron po tayong canopy na may 0.55 in width. Doors and windows schedule for door 1, located each in each quarters. For the door 2, nasa toilet. And for the door 3, meron po tayo sa PWD toilet. And for the door 4, sa storage room, at saka meron din po yan sa staircase sa taas sa roof deck. And for the door 5, nasa toilet po ng babae. For the windows, meron po tayong 12 na windows, window 1, each quarter meron pong window. Meron din po tayong window sa CR, each CR meron po. For the structural plan, size for all tie beams are 300 by 300 mm in dimension. Foundation plan for first level. Meron po tayong combined footing and normal footing. For the typical floor and roof deck framing plan, meron po tayong 10 mm bar na ginamit at 0.125 meters in thickness. For the size of the footing, for footing 1, we have 2.8 meters by 5.6 meters in dimension. And for footing 2, we have 2.7 by 2.7 meters in dimension. And for footing 3, we have 200 by 2 meters by 2 meters in dimension. Size for all columns are 0.35 by 0.35 meters. Structural plan. Size of the beam for the first level, we have beam 1 located at beam 1 is yung beam 1 dito po ba? Dimensions are 300 by 350. For beam 2, we have 300 by 400. For beam 3, 4, 5, and 6, we have 300 by 450. For beam 7, we have 300 by 600. For beam 8, we have 300 by 500. For beam 9 and 10, we have 300 by 300. That's for the first level beam. For the second level beam, we have the size of, for beam 1 and 2, we have 300 by 350. For beam 3, 4, 5, and 6, we have 300 by 400. For beam 7, we have 300 by 500. For beam 8, we have 300 by 450. And for beam 9 and 10, we have 300 by 300. Application. For cantilever beam, we have 300 by 300 mm in dimensions. Cantilever. For the summary of quantities, we have the part 1, the facilities for the engineer. We have provisions of field office for the engineer, rental basis. For other general requirements, we have permits and clearances, project billboards and signboard, occupational safety and health program. For the part 3, we have mechanical, electrical, sanitary, and for part A, we have earthworks, structure excavation, embankment from structure excavation, embankment from barrow, and gravel field. For the plain and reinforced concrete works, we have structural concrete 300 PSI Class A at 28 days. It includes all concrete from footing hanggang sa roof deck. We have reinforcing steel and reinforced concrete structure, grade 40. Reinforcing steel of reinforced concrete structure, grade 60. Forms and falls works. For finishing, masonry works, we have 100 and 150 mm CHB non-load bearing, including reinforcing steels. For fabricated materials, we have flush doors. Ito po yung mga doors sa may CR and sa storage. For wood panel doors, ito po yung doors sa each quarters. For aluminum glass windows, only type, ito rin po yung window banda sa may CR. And for the aluminum glass window, fixed type, dito po yung sa quarters. Metal deck panel, each floor from second level hanggang sa roof deck, meron po tayong metal deck panel. For finishing hardware, hinges para po sa mga doors. Frames, jump, seal, head, transoms, and mullions. Dito po nakalagay ang frames ng doors at saka transoms po, fixed transoms po. Aluminum composite panel, ito po yung merong sa harapan, yung aluminum logo. ACP lover. For finishing works, plain cement floor finish with floor hardener. Each floor meron pong floor hardener, pati rin po yung stairs sa loob. Cement plaster finish, each side meron po tayong finish. Railings, ito po yung sa ramp at sa stairs na railings. Fiber cement board on metal frame ceiling. Ito po, each floor meron pong cement board ceiling sa first level and sa second level. Pati rin po yung partition, each quarters, dito rin po nakalagay. For glazed tiles and trims and unglazed tiles, andito rin po yung tiles sa comfort room. For waterproofing sa roof deck po and sa CR sa second level. Painting works, masonry painting, wood painting, and metal painting. For Pre-painted metal sheets, corrugated, dun po yun sa roof ng stairs sa taas, sa roof deck. Structural steel purlins. Structural steels includes all tubular stair column, metal structure accessories, steel plates, metal structure accessories, bolts, metal structure accessories. It includes tubular rafter and plate flooring for the stairs sa fire exit. For the plumbing and sanitary works, we have sewer line works, cold water line works, storm drainage and downspout, plumbing fixtures, septic vault, cistern tank. It includes the overhead water tank, domestic and fire reserve tank. For catch basin, we have includes all materials for catch basins. For the electrical, we have conduit boxes and fittings, wires and wiring device, panel boards with main branch breakers. It includes the circuit breaker. For the lighting fixtures and lamps, includes all LED lamp and LED bulbs. For network cabling, all materials needed for network cabling such as terminal block, frame panel, voltage regulator, public address system, includes microphone, ceiling speakers, DVD players, generator standby, includes all muffler pipes for generator, CCTV system, we have all cameras and monitors and cables. For nurse call system or intercom call system, includes all station and zone lights, pole mounted and distribution transformer, pole type, reinforced concrete pedestal pole. For mechanical works, we have automatic fire sprinkler system. It includes all materials and accessories for sprinkler and has fire and jockey pump. Air conditioning, it includes our air cons. That's something.
Thank you very much, Engineer Talusan, for your presentation. So, any questions, comments from here in back members, DPWH, or yung mga viewers natin dito, or yung live viewers natin? Do you have any questions, comments? Kung meron, you may please release your comments dito sa comment section of this YouTube channel. So no, wala na tayong question. So this video conference is now adjourned, and we'll proceed with the and we'll proceed with the opening of bids for two civil works. Thank you, Joseph. We have two civil works to be bid today. The 24mm0006 and 24mm0067. And the brief presentation of this contract will be presented to us by Engineer Potoy Naharin Baraguna, the head back secretary.
Thank you, Mr. Chair. So we have two civil works to be opened today. Number one is yung 24MF0006 with the contract name of Improvement of Intersection, Dulawan-Marbel Road, S00745, MN, Chainage 0 and Kidapawan-Allah Junction Road. Contract location is in Tacorong, Sultan Kudarat, with an ABC of 19,959,048 pesos and 71 centavos with a duration of 175 calendar days. And number two, we have 24MF0067 with a contract name of Repair, Improvement of Unpaved Road Shoulder along Dulawan-Marbel Road, S00746 MN, kilometer 1764 to -326 and kilometer 7064 to -266 paving of shoulder, Tacorong City, Sultan Kudarat. Ang location po nito is in Tacorong City, Sultan Kudarat with an ABC of 1,482,407 pesos only with a duration of 60 calendar days. Ayan lang po, Mr. Chair. Thank you.
Thank you, Ms. Putri. So we'll now proceed with the opening of bids. We'll open first the technical envelope of the prospective bidders. So members of the back DPWH, please assist. Thank you. Okay, good morning once again. We are now done with the preliminary examination of the technical proposal of the bidders. And for contract ID number 24 MF006, we have VYS Construction with an overall rating of pass. For the same contract ID number, we have Jargon Construction and Supply with an overall rating of pass. Next contract ID number 24MF0067. We have CEK Construction and Water Supply with an overall rating of pass. So we will now proceed with the reading of contract profile processing results or the eligibility requirements of our prospective bidders. For the legal aspects of 24MF0006, VYS Construction, BAR Tax Clearance Certificate, and the Gibbs registration are all verified. For Jargon Construction and Supply, the BAR Tax Clearance Certificate and the Gibbs registration verified. For the technical and financial aspects, VYS Construction for the work experience or SLCC and NFCC, all passed. Same contract ID number for Jargon Construction and Supply, for the work experience or SLCC and NFCC, all passed. So we will now proceed with the sorry. For the next contract ID number 24MF0067, we have CEK Construction and Water Supply. For the legal aspects, VAR Tax Clearance Certificate and Gibbs registration are verified. And for the technical and financial aspects, the work experience or SLCC and FCC passed. Thank you so much. So we will now proceed with the opening of the financial envelope of the prospective bidders. Okay, thank you. So we are now done with the preliminary examination of the financial envelope of the bidders or bidders. So for contract ID number 24MM0006, the BYS Construction has an overall rating of pass. For the same contract ID number, Jargon Construction and Supply with an overall rating of pass. For contract ID number 24MM0067, CNK Construction and Water Supply with an overall rating of pass. Okay, so we'll proceed with the reading of abstract of bids as read. For contract ID number ML0006, VYS Construction with a total bid price of $19,578,940.21. In words, 19,578,940 pesos and 21 centavos. No discounts offered. For the same contract ID number, Jargon Construction and Supply, total bid price is 19,583,687.04. In words, 19,583,687 pesos and 4 centavos. No discounts offered. For contract ID number 24MF0067, for CK Construction and Water Supply, the bid amount is $1,475,193.10. In words, 1,475,193 pesos and 10 centavos. No discounts offered. Okay, we are done with the reading of abstract bids as read. So, any question, comments from the back members, DPWH members, back secretariat, and for our bidders? Any question? For our live viewers, you may place your comments on the comment section of this YouTube channel. So, since there's no question, this opening of civil works is now adjourned. Thank you so much. So we'll proceed with the opening of goods for 4 contract ID numbers. So you now call on Engineer Poten Haring Baraguna, DA, the head block secretariat, for the brief presentation of the contract.
Okay, thank you, Mr. Chair. So we have 4 goods po na i-open natin under public bidding. So we have 24 GMF 1-2 with the contract name of Procurement of Fuel for Use in the Routine Maintenance Activity of National Roads and Bridges in DPWH Sultan Kudarat First DEO with an ABC of 1,195,278 pesos only, and duration is 30 calendar days. Number 2, we have 24 GMF 1-3 with the contract name of for use in the installation of bridge, limit signages, and regravelling of unpaved shoulder along National Road maintenance section with an ABC of 531,798 pesos and 33 centavos with the duration of 30 calendar days. And number 3, we have 24 GMF 1-4 with the contract name of for use in the repair, maintenance of National Road and Bridges along Sultan Kudarat First DEO Intermittent section, Isulan, Sultan Kudarat with an ABC of 5,183 pesos and 421 pesos at 46 centavos with a duration of 30 calendar days. And number 4, we have 24 GMF 1-5 with a contract name of Procurement of Spare Part for use in routine maintenance activities of National Roads and Bridges in DPWH Sultan Kudarat First DEO with an ABC of 1,034,549 pesos and 22 centavos with a duration of 30 calendar days. And for the RFQ, we have 2024-07-0029 with the contract name of Procurement of Information Technology IT for use in the routine maintenance and other related activities. Contract with an ABC of 750,000 pesos only, and duration is 30 calendar days. And number 2, we have RFQ number 2024-07-0030. Contract name is for use of National Road Traffic Survey Program, NRTSP, under the Planning and Design section with an ABC of 422,205 pesos only. Duration is 30 calendar days. And last one is 2024-07-0031 with the contract name of purchase of office supply for use in the routine maintenance and other related activities with an ABC of 151,173 and 29 centavos with a duration of 30 calendar days. Mr. Chair and the rest of BAC and our committee, I would like to inform you that yung RFQ number 2024-07-003 is a failure due to no bidder dropped their proposal.
Thank you very much, Ms. Putri. So, we will now proceed with the opening of bids for the technical and financial aspect. So, back to the WD. Proceed. We are done with the opening of bids for both technical and financial below. For contract ID number 24 GFM 12, bidder is Advanced Gas Trading Corporation with the remark of pass. For contract ID number 24 GFN 13 or 13, the bidder being Colors Paint Center and General Merchandise with the remarks of pass. For contract ID number 24 GFN14 GFM
GFM?
GMF, ma'am. Tama po.
GFM, okay. Letad lang ha. Okay, contract ID number 24 GMF 14 for Colors Paint Center and General Merchandise with a pass remark. For contract ID number, still same contract ID number 24 GMF 14 si Bitalak. 14 kanina. 14. Si Bitalak Construction and General Merchandise with the remarks pass. For contract ID number 24 GMF 15 Colors Paint Center and General Merchandise with the remarks of pass. Okay, so we'll proceed with the reading of the abstract of bids, right? Okay, sorry. Sorry. So, we are done with the opening of technical bids, the technical envelope. So, we proceed with the opening of the financial envelope. Thank you. Okay, good morning once again. So we are done with the opening of the financial envelope of the respective bidders. For truck ID number 24, GMF 12, is for Advanced Gas Trading Corporation with the complying remarks. For contract ID number 24, GMF 13, Colors Paint Center and General Merchandise. The remarks is complying. For contract ID number 24, GMF 14, Colors Paint Center and General Merchandise. The remarks is complying. Still the same contract ID number 24, GMF 14, Say Vitalak Construction and General Merchandise Incorporated. The remarks is complying. For contract ID number 24, GMF 15, Colors Paint Center and General Merchandise, the remark is complying. Okay, we will read the obstacle bids as read. For contract ID number 24, GMF 12, Advanced Gas Trading Corporation. Total bid price is 1,193,490,00.00. In words, 490 pesos only. No discount? Over. For contract ID 34, GMF 13, for Colors Paint Center and General Merchandise, total bid price is 531,580.00. In words, 531,580 pesos only. No discount offered. Next contract ID number 24 GMF 14, Colors Paint Center and General Merchandise with the total bid price of 5,176,070.00. In words, 5,176,070 pesos only. No discount offered. Same contract ID number 24 GMF 14, Say Vitalak Construction and General Merchandise. Total bid price total bid price 5,178,070 352.00. In words, 5,178,352 pesos only. No discount offered. Last but not the least, for GMF 15, Colors Paint Center and General Merchandise. Total bid price 1,032, 410.00. In words, 1,032,410 pesos only. No discount offered. So that will be all for the opening of bids for goods. So we have still the RFQ, request for quotation for two goods. Actually, there are three, but then the number two is failure in bidding. Walang nag-bid. So we will just open the two. And for the pre-presentation of this contract, we can call Engineer Putoy na Haring Baraguna, the Secretary. So we proceed with the opening of bids, technical and financial. Okay.
Lumasa.
Okay, thank you very much. So we will now proceed with the reading of the, for the RFQ, we are done with the opening of bids for the technical in below. For RFQ number 2024-07-0029, Sabi Marketing, the remarks is applying. Same article number 2024-07-0029. MP General Merchandise, non-compliant.
Ganyan. General merchandise, non-compliant.
Next article number 2024-07-0031. Bidder supplier Zabi Marketing, implying. Same article number 2024-07-0031. MP General Merchandise, non-compliant. So, we proceed with the reading of the abstract of bids as well. So we will read the quotation of Zabi Marketing. The overall bid price is 746, 600.00. No discount offered.
Okay. Yung non-comply, hindi na lang, kasi wala siyang income tax na sa
Next, RFQ number 2024-06-0031. Zabi Marketing. The total bid price is 149,468.00. No discount offered. Okay. So we are done with the three activities: the meeting, the pre-bid conference, the opening of the tools, the civil works, and the opening of RFQ. So, any question? Any comments? So, hearing that, this activity is now adjourned. Thank you so much.